Let's talk about digestion and how wearing a castor pack can be a surprisingly effective way to support things like bloating, sluggish bowels, and constipation. Hi, my name is Alison. I'm the founder of Castorvida. I'm a nutritional therapist and colonic hydrotherapist. We get inundated with messages from customers telling us how much better they feel when wearing a castor oil pack over their abdomen. So let's explain how it works and why it works. Castor oil is rich in racinoleic acid. Racinoleic acid changes the structure of castor oil and it makes it much heavier than any other oil, so it gets absorbed much deeper into the body. Castor oil helps to stimulate smooth muscle contraction. Your colon is a smooth muscle, and when it gets stimulated, it stimulates peristalsis. Peristalsis is the wave-like movement in which food and waste gets pushed further along the digestive system so that it can be excreted. So no more constipation and sluggish bowels, less bloating, and then you'll feel lighter, cleaner, and more energized.